Nana's in a nursing home. They say her mind is gone, that she talks to herself and she walks beside people who just aren't there. When Nana was a little girl, her daddy was her whole world. He was hung by the clan, and the hill where he died breathes a silent prayer. Nana